Hello lovely naturals. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make and use aloe vera as a leave-in conditioner for massive hair growth. Here we have 3 aloe leaves. I had plucked this aloe vera leaves for about 3 days now. That is why you can see this black thing at the root. I had already washed them, so I'll start by cutting the aloe vera into pieces. You see this yellow secretion? It is called aloe or aloe lactase. This thing is very toxic and it can make you itch very badly. I will show you how to properly get rid of them later in the video. The next thing I will do is to trim off the thorns so that when it's time to extract the gel, it will be easy for us. After cutting the aloe vera leaf into pieces, I'll transfer it into a bowl, add water and let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes. This way it will help to remove that yellow substance from the gel. So after 15 minutes you can see the water has become yellowish. This is how you can easily get rid of the aloe. To extract the gel, I slice up the aloe vera, then with the help of a spoon, I scoop out the gel. Doing this is not really easy, but it is worth it. You can get a lot of gel when using the spoon to scoop it out. This is the amount of gel I got. I tried to remove these greens. I tried to remove some of the leaves that made their way into the gel, but I couldn't. And it is not that big of a deal because we'll be straining it later. So I'm going to transfer it into the blender and add a little bit of water. Then I'll blend it nicely. After blending, this is what we have. So the next step is to strain it. I use this fine mesh strainer because it always gets the job done easily. You don't have to skip this part. This part is very necessary. Otherwise, it will be difficult to get the aloe vera particles out of your hair and you'll be walking around with white particles in your hair. After straining, I will transfer it into a spray bottle for easy application. I've had this mini braids in for about a week and I can already see a little bit of growth. So now with my aloe vera leave-in conditioner ready, I'll just spray it on the strand on my scalp as I massage it in. I do this all over my hair. It would be better if my hair was unbraided, but I'm trying to grow my hair, so I had to put my hair in mini braids so that I won't over manipulate it. And you have to also focus on your ends. Your ends are very important. If you don't want split ends and if you don't want your ends to be thinning, you don't have to neglect your ends when applying any hair remedy to your hair. So after applying, I massage it in. A massaging tool is very good for the hair. Length check. Yes, my hair is really growing. This is the amount of leave-in conditioner left, and now I'm about to focus on my edges only. I'm trying to grow my edges too, because I was laying my edges a lot and it was causing my edges to thin, so I'll massage that in. Squeeze everything and make sure that every part is saturated, every part gets some of the gel. So this is what was left. You can refrigerate it for about 3 days, so you can just discard it that same day. So after I've done applying the leave-in conditioner, I'll go in with my butter. This is rosemary and clove butter. I have it on my channel, so you can go and check it out. Also, I don't forget my ends. I apply it to my ends also. Let me tell you some of the benefits of aloe vera, and you can further research about these things I'm telling you. Aloe vera promotes hair growth. It has enzymes that remove dead skin cells from the scalp. It can also unclog the hair follicles and promote blood circulation. And studies have shown that aloe vera can promote healthy hair growth. It has been used over 2,000 years now. This plant is still relevant this day, so give it a try. After everything, I'll just tie my hair into a ponytail, then that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will be helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.